What if you could run a program that does all the work for you? Not mining, not trading, but a real search for forgotten treasure on the blockchain. Bitcoin wallets that have been gathering dust for years, and your computer can find them. Pause. Greetings. Today, I'm showing you not a theory, but an actual working program that has already brought thousands of dollars to our users. This isn't a promise, it's a fact confirmed by dozens of grateful reviews. What you're about to see is BitScan. Unique software that earns you BTC and withdraws the found funds directly to your wallet. Yes, you heard that right. The program brute forces seed phrases, finds wallets with balances, sometimes substantial ones, and sends the cryptocurrency straight to the address you provide. Want to see for yourself? We offer a trial period, a full 24 hours for you to personally witness the power and efficiency of BitScan. How do you get it? Just a few simple steps. Go to the link below this video. It leads to our official Telegram bot. Beware of scammers and fakes, only use trusted sources. In the bot, select the BitScan program and follow the instructions to get trial access. You will be provided with a download link. Download the BitScan archive. Unpack the archive. Inside, you'll find a text file with a password and the program itself, the start file. Run the start file, enter the password from the text file to activate the program. And that's it. Starting BitScan is incredibly simple. You just need to select the scanning power, paste your BTC wallet address to receive funds, and begin the search. Don't miss your chance to test this unique software that has already changed the financial situation for many people. Click the link, download the trial version, and see it all for yourself. And if you decide to keep the program forever, we have a special offer, a perpetual license with lifetime support for just $1,500. It's a one-time payment for a tool that can pay for itself many times over. The link to download the trial version and to purchase is in the description below the video. Start your search right now. Music becomes more optimistic and concluding. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you found this information useful. Good luck with your search.